Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Akshay here and today I have another interesting Google trick for you guys. Okay, and this is based on my experiences in a lot of in the kind of work that I get acquainted with as an analyst. Okay, so there are times when your boss would often come up to you and say that, hey buddy, hey Akshay, hey my dear colleague, please help me find which IDs are in this particular cell. He might give you a list of particular entries and he'll ask you what are whether these IDs or entries are present in this particular cell or not. At first glance, you'll feel like what on earth you are doing. You'll feel like you have given up on life. But there is a way to tackle this problem as well. And I'm going to show you that. So you see, had it been a list kind of a thing, you could have easily VLOOKed up and got the result, right? Could have easily done a VLOOKUP and got the result, or an XLOOKUP, or an index match, right? Comma match, something like that, right? But here, what you have been given is you have a cell that has haphazard entries in it, and then you have a clean column with the entries, and you are told which one is there in this particular cell. Okay, so it's an easy way to do that, and I'm going to show you. Okay, the approach is to use a search function. Okay, so what's gonna do? It's gonna give me the position within the cell where is it located. Okay, and it's gonna throw me a number. Okay, so let's see, I wanna search this entry with respect to those within this cell. Okay, and like I told you, my best practice is like to log the columns or the rows or the cells that I'm working with. Okay, so I've done that, and when I hit enter, so these are the results that you get. Whenever there is a number, it clearly implies that that particular entry is present in the cell of your reference. Okay, for example, AD3K something 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 is present there. Okay, here is it. If I see H9KE2, I go and find here, it's here. Okay, if I see T2B9 something something something, I get it here. Okay, so in this case, in this way, you are able to search effectively using the search function. But then again, the boss will come and say, hey Akshay, or hey buddy, or hey dear colleague, I just want to know whether they are present here yet or not. I know it's a number, it's gonna give me a numerical value for those present, but how will I know that? Again, the short way is to nest this search function into an isNumber function. I'm gonna do that again. Whoops, escape, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is equal to isNumber. So it will just tell me whether the value is an integer or not. Okay, and then I'm gonna repeat the same function again, SEARCH, search this one with respect to the cell. Okay, I'll lock the cell as usual so that it doesn't throw an error. I mean, that's the best practice that I follow as usual. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit enter, and then I'm gonna pull it down and you can get the results. Those that are present in the cell will give me a true result, whereas those that are not will give me a false result. So you can easily go to your boss and say that, hey boss, I got the entries that are present in this cell. These are the entries that are present and these are the entries that are not. Okay, so this is a very interesting Google trick. A lot of us might not be aware of this functionality within the Google Sheet, and I've shown you this. I hope you would like this video, and you'll feel free to share it with your colleagues or your co-workers. And as always, keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy working. Thank you.